Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of wellness and nutrition. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that might have you raising your eyebrows. The relationship between two seemingly unrelated ingredients, kale and baking soda, and their potential benefits for achieving crystal clear vision. Let's start by discussing kale, the leafy green superstar that has taken the health world by storm. Kale is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants known to support eye health. Vitamin A, in particular, is crucial for maintaining good vision and preventing night blindness. These nutrients work together to protect our eyes from harmful free radicals and maintain the health of the retina. Regular consumption of kale has been associated with a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions that can lead to vision impairment. Now, you might be wondering how baking soda fits into the equation. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a common household ingredient often used in cooking and cleaning. While it's not directly related to eye health, there's a surprising connection between baking soda and overall health, which indirectly impacts our vision. Maintaining a balanced pH level is essential for our body's overall well-being. Baking soda can act as an alkaline agent, helping to neutralize excess acidity in our system. Some holistic health enthusiasts suggest that maintaining a proper pH balance can contribute to better eye health, as well as improved overall health. Here's where it gets interesting. Some alternative health circles propose that combining kale, with its eye-boosting nutrients, and baking soda, to balance the body's pH, can create a synergistic effect that enhances eye health and potentially leads to clearer vision. While there isn't substantial scientific evidence to support this specific combination directly, the individual benefits of kale and baking soda on eye health and overall well-being are well documented. So, the idea of combining them for potentially better results seems promising, albeit unproven through rigorous scientific studies. Before we start concocting kale and baking soda smoothies, it's crucial to remember that good eye health is just one piece of the puzzle. Maintaining clear vision and healthy eyes requires a comprehensive approach that includes balanced diet. Incorporate a wide variety of nutrient-rich foods, including leafy greens like kale, carrots, citrus fruits, and omega-3 rich fish. Regular eye exams. Visit your optometrist regularly to detect any potential issues early on and ensure your prescription is up to date. Limit screen time. Give your eyes regular breaks from digital devices to prevent digital eye strain. Protect your eyes. Wear sunglasses with UV protection and safety goggles when engaging in activities that could pose a risk to your eyes. While the connection between kale and baking soda for crystal clear vision remains more of a health enthusiast's hypothesis than a scientifically proven fact, there's no denying the individual benefits of both ingredients for eye health. Incorporating kale and a balanced diet into your lifestyle can undoubtedly contribute to maintaining healthy eyes and clear vision. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in improving their eye health naturally. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more science-backed content on wellness and health.